Hello and welcome to our video on conducting a competitive SEO analysis for your website. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for any business. And one of the most important aspects of online marketing is search engine optimization, or SEO. In this video, we'll be discussing how to analyze your competitors' websites and identify gaps in their SEO strategies. Introduction to competitive SEO analysis. First things first, let's talk about what competitive SEO analysis is. Competitive SEO analysis is the process of analyzing your competitors' websites to identify gaps in their SEO strategies. By doing so, you can improve your own website's SEO and outperform your competitors. Identifying your competitors. The first step in conducting a competitive SEO analysis is identifying your competitors. Who are the other businesses in your industry that you want to compete with? Once you have a list of competitors, you can start analyzing their websites. Analyzing competitors' websites. When analyzing your competitors' websites, there are several things you want to look for. First, check their domain authority, which is a measure of how credible and trustworthy their website is. You can use tools like SEO PowerSuite to check domain authority. Next, look at their page structure and content. Do they have clear and concise titles and descriptions? Is their content optimized for keywords? Finally, check their backlink profile. Do they have high-quality backlinks from authoritative sites? Identifying gaps in their strategy. Once you've analyzed your competitors' websites, it's time to identify gaps in their strategy. Look for areas where they're not optimizing their content or where they're lacking in terms of backlinks. This is where you can outperform them. For example, if you notice that they're not optimizing their content for mobile devices, you can make sure that your website is mobile-friendly and load quickly. Implementing changes. Now that you've identified gaps in your competitors' strategies, it's time to implement changes to your own website. Start by optimizing your content for keywords and making sure your page structure is clean and organized. Also, focus on building high-quality backlinks from authoritative sites. This will help improve your website's domain authority and increase your chances of ranking higher in search engines. In conclusion, conducting a competitive SEO analysis is a powerful way to improve your website's SEO and outperform your competitors. By analyzing your competitors' websites and identifying gaps in their strategies, you can make improvements to your own website that will help you rank higher in search engines and attract more customers. Remember, SEO is a continuous process, so keep monitoring and adjusting your strategy to achieve the best results. Thank you for watching our video on conducting a competitive SEO analysis for your website. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.